Hello webmasters, thanks for checking out another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own Fiverr website. So Fiverr is right here. It is the biggest micro jobs or gigs marketplace on the web, and this is what the website looks like right here. And here is the clone WordPress theme, which you can easily set up your own Fiverr marketplace. This is what it looks like right here. So very similar to Fiverr, as you can see. So let's check out a gig page to see how it looks. So this is the Fiverr gig page here. And here is the clone gig page by Pricerr. Very similar. And Pricerr WordPress theme is made by Sitemile, and I'll leave a link to this Pricerr theme here so you guys can check it out and view the demo, and also check out the admin backend demo. Here's roughly how the my account dashboard looks like with the Pricerr theme. So it's very similar to how Fiverr looks. It has all the features, messagings, their earnings, account settings, managing the sales, and the look and feel is almost exactly like Fiverr, and you can easily change and customize the theme as well. Here's the back-end admin dashboard. So this is your WordPress WP admin right here, and then you can change all these options for your Pricerr theme. You can set up things like payment gateways, set the commission rate, the categories, layouts. These are the gigs that your members set up right here, which you can manage, edit, change, delete. So this Pricerr theme running on WordPress, it has a lot of flexibility and customizations. So if you're looking for a Fiverr clone script or theme, this is the best. And I've tried several other themes and scripts and plugins, and so far this is the one that comes the closest to actually looking like Fiverr with all the functionality. And Sitemile has great support as well. I've been a member here for a couple of years now. They have a lot of great themes in their club membership that you can join and then get all their themes as well. They have a lot of good themes for a lot of niche businesses. Thanks so much for viewing. Please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips, tricks, and product reviews. Thanks again, and happy marketing.